So, as we all know, one of the important components of any hindgut for many's diet, beyond hay and a controlled amount of a uniform pellet, is those associated greens and vegetables, so on and so forth. We know those provide a lot of nutritional benefits, a lot of hydration benefits, and most of the munchkins really enjoy eating those. So, one question I get a little more consistently, specifically to chinchillas, are fresh or dried veggies more appropriate for my pet, specifically my chinchilla? So, the first thing I want to talk about before we get talking about fresh versus dry is I really want to make sure that we understand what types of vegetables are we talking about. We really want to focus, number one, on the dark leafy greens. Things like red leaf and green leaf lettuces, carrot tops, dandelion greens, those types. That should be the macro component of their green category. Vegetables should really make up a very small percentage, probably less than 10% of the overall fresh produce that we're offering. And fruits, not necessarily something I would recommend at all. And if we're going to, very, very limited, very, very infrequent amounts, especially in things like chinchillas and degus that we know are a little more sensitive to sugars. Now, in terms of fresh versus dried, I'm a very big proponent of fresh because we know not only in addition to getting that additional hydration benefit that we're going to get by having that moisture contained within the plant, there are certain micronutrients and especially vitamins that when we dry plant materials, we degrade those or we lose those. Now, there is nothing wrong with small amounts of dried vegetables and dried greens from time to time, but if you have availability of fresh, hydrated, organic type, that is always nutritionally going to be more advantageous for these animals.